Hey everyone, I'm LT Snake Plissken, here with you today to go through another Elk Finance tutorial. This time I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to withdraw your liquidity from an old farm. So you left your elk in too long and you kind of forgot about it. You notice it's no longer on the DEX page and you want to withdraw it. So I'm going to show you where to go and how to do that and how to manually write to the contract to withdraw your LP tokens, claim your rewards, and of course get your impermanent loss coverage if there was any for that particular pair at that time. It's actually pretty easy. But if you don't know, you don't know. So let's get started. But before that, I have to mention I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Okay, so we're going to head on over to elk.finance and we can click here on documentation, and that takes us to our Elk Finance docs. Super handy for a lot of info. And we're going to go over here and click on addresses. I'm also going to put this link here in the description below, so feel free to just click that and go directly there if you'd like. But just in case you wanted to know where it was located. So in this case, let's say I want to claim my elk MATIC pair from farming round 3. So you might not know which round you're in. Of course, thankfully, there are some dates here. So we can scroll down and find the correct farming round, and it's organized by date as long as you kind of know which date you put it in. Worst case, you might have to click around and use the Explorer to see where you might have that liquidity if you don't know. Feel free to reach out and we can always help you find it if that's the case. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm looking here at round 3, and let's say we had again MATIC and elk. So I'm going to click over here under legacy addresses, and it's going to bring me down to the MATIC pairs. If you're looking for Fantom or AVAX, it's the same process. So we can see all the known liquidity pairs from the old farming rounds. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, and we see staking pools. This is what we're looking for, but we're looking for round 3. So we're going to scroll down a bit. There it is. MATIC lELK pair, the legacy elk MATIC pair from round 3. So saying I had my LP tokens in there from May 10th to May 30th. And I'm going to go ahead and click right on the farming contract. And that's going to take me to Polygon scan. Of course, if it's the same process, if you're doing this on Fantom and AVAX, etc., on HECO, whatever, it's going to take you to the relevant Explorer, and it's going to be the same process. So we're going to go ahead and click over here on Contract, and then we're going to click Write Contract. And what we're going to have to do before we interact with the contract manually is we're going to have to connect our MetaMask. So we're going to go over here and click on Connect to Web3. We're going to select MetaMask. We're going to get this prompt. We're going to hit OK. And that's going to connect our wallet. It might ask you to confirm, but I've already done that. Sometimes you have to click Connect to Web3 twice before it actually connects. I found I had that issue previously. And all we have to do is click Write here under number 1, Exit. So we'll just go ahead and click that on the contract. So that's simply going to bring up the prompt, and it's going to get us to pay a little bit of gas to withdraw our liquidity, claim our IL protection, and get, of course, any remaining rewards that we haven't claimed from that pool. So we're going to go ahead and click Confirm, which would be available had I had MATIC in here and some, LP tokens in this pool. So I click that. It's going to take a little bit. You'll get your confirmation. It's going to come up, and that should be all you have to do. Now, if you want to withdraw your liquidity from the pool, head on over to app.elk.finance, head over to pool, and if you don't see your liquidity loading here, you might want to import it. If it's legacy elk, if it's from round 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever, you might need to go here, import the pool. In this case, MATIC plus lELK, because elk has been upgraded to a new token, new contract. So we would import that. And then we'd be able to remove the liquidity, upgrade our lELK to ELK, which I have another video on if you'd like in the description. Yeah, so I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.